crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is Fancy Fold cards with Paige, who is Stamp Girl on YouTube. And so monthly we do a special Fancy Fold card. So I had seen this recently, and I think her name is Chicken Stick. I'll post it down below. And I just thought that this was so clever. I did a spin on it. It's not exactly as she had done it, but I did a 5x7 card. And can you tell how it works? Maybe not. I didn't know until I saw her do it. And then I thought, oh, that's cute. That's it. Isn't that cute? Anyway, so a 5x7 card, simple enough to do. She did a A2 size card, and you'll see that on her video if you choose to watch it. And all it is you take a 5x7 or whatever size, and then you put another layer on top of it. I like to put larger borders around mine because I just really hate to waste the under layer, and since I used a pattern one, I wanted to show a little bit of it. And then you just take a strip and you put it underneath here about a ½ inch and fold it over. And this isn't double-sided paper, so I put another piece on the other side to cover it up. And then I just took a cut apart that was on here, had the cute turtle, so I put that there and another one of the cut aparts underneath there to mask the white. And then you're saying, you can stamp on here whatever you like, and then you just make sure that this is underneath here. And there's your card. Isn't that cute? Very simple. Very easy, and something I had not seen before. So I thought I had to share it with you, and there you go. And you can bling it up all you like, and I just distressed it with my distress ink, my close to my heart ink. And how I like to distress is I do it the easy way. I just do it like this. I very rarely use a sponge, because I like the way this looks as opposed to sponging on there. And if I want a little bit more, I just put this on the side and do it that way. So this is how I do my edges. And so when you have a something that has a white center to it, or you want to have it stand out a little bit more, it does give a real finishing touch if you do distress the edges on this, however you wish to do that. So there you go. There's my Fancy Fold card for this month, and I hope you'll check out, if you haven't already, Stamp Girl Paige on YouTube. And there you go. You have a great day, and go craft. Bye-bye.